that. You tell that back. Get.
Right. There she goes. Out the fucking 100 more to go. Grab one, what the fuck are you doing there? Standing in your dick. Huh? Grab one of those rolls and start rolling that shit up.
Okay. So we're unrolling these rolls. We're unrolling these rolls. We got 4 of them. And these are gonna go from that transformer. I think the first run's from that transformer to this disconnect right here. Yep, first one. So I already got mule tape in it. Every time you pull this, you need mule tape. This is a disconnect we're going to. Pretty simple setup. This is 800 amp. So we got 3 phases. Or we got 3 wire sets of 3 phases going in here. So one right here, one right there, one right there. That makes 1 phase. And the same, one in the middle, one in the middle, one in the middle. A second, 1, 2, and 3. That makes the third. This makes the third set. So the first set, all gonna be the same with these 3 right here. It's gonna be phase A. Then the second set is gonna be phase B, all 3 of them, and then the third one is gonna be C. All right, 1, 2, 3.